Rain or Shine kontra Converge, Battle of the Independent Teams. Sayang though kasi malalaglag agad yung isa sa kanila, pero this best of 3 series should be a good series. Talagang kaabang-abang to. And ako personally, talagang aabangan ko tong series na to kasi, you know, dalawang interesting independent teams, parehas mabilis maglaro. So the games, we can expect na magiging fast-paced and entertaining. So start game 1, it was Rain or Shine who got the first big run sa series na to. Kaylan Chongson kasi is kind of a mismatch against Converge. For a forward kasi kaya niya makipagsabayan sa mga Baltasar in terms of size, pero meron kasi siyang advantage in terms of mobility, and yung combination of both na yon, ng mobility and strength, gives him a slight edge, and siguro meron siyang edge to be able to get to the basket first. Kung baga makikita natin sa play na to, 2 on the ball, hindi kagad naka-recover si Balti. Diallo had to help, pero diba, Chongson, with the strength, the size, kaya niya mag-finish over defenders. Unless talagang nasa magandang posisyon yung defender. Yung Rain or Shine, they really got hot early in the game. They made 3-pointers, which definitely opened up the lane for them. Dito sa makikita natin dito, Ildefonso 3-pointer sa corner. And again, dito, ball screen for Asisio and Thompson rather. Magro-roll si Thompson, so si Diallo nasa drop. Kevin Racal mag-go over siya against Asisio kasi shooter. So ang pressure ng defense ay na kay Jordan Heading. Si Heading kailangan niya mag-tag sa roll to help out Diallo and Kevin Racal. So ang maiiwan sa corner ay si Jonard Clarito. So ngayon, pagka-roll ni Thompson, kick out kay Clarito kasi nag-help si Heading, 3-pointer para sa Rain or Shine. Pero ang Converge naman, they continued to attack the basket, especially papunta sa paint, and they successfully cut the lead down to 6 ng second quarter. Down from 17 sila, makikita natin dito. Okay, yung depensa ng Rain or Shine against the ball screen. Magsiswitch dito si Felix Lemeti and si Thompson. So mapupunta si Lemeti sa bigger Check Diallo. So ngayon magti-triple switch ang Rain or Shine. Magpapalit sila ni Nokum ng bantay. Pero again, parehas guardia to and parehas big yung iniswitchan nila. So alam mo yun, mismatch pa rin for Justin Baltazar kahit na nag-triple switch yung Rain or Shine. So dito nag-take advantage yung Baltazar, fade away. Good defense from Nokum, pero again, that's Baltazar having an advantage over Nokum. And again dito, they moved the ball well. Drive sa gitna from Diallo, nag-help si Keith Datu, which left Justin Arana libre sa dunker spot. And unfortunately for Rain or Shine, maagang na foul out yung import nila na si Thompson. Makikita natin sa play na to. Okay, parang hindi playoffs yung tawag. And honestly kasi, yung mga ganitong tipong foul, you also have to consider, okay, yes, hindi nabigyan ng landing space, pero we also have to look at the offensive player. Okay, kung may cylinder na pinoprotektahan yung shooter, if you go out of that cylinder and nilabas mo yung paa mo ng ganyan, I think it should be a let go. Kung wala rin naman consequence, kung hindi rin naman natapilok. So that's unfortunate for Rain or Shine. Wala silang import for the rest of the game. Mula 8 minutes ng third quarter. So, despite that, maganda response ng locals ng Rain or Shine. Kung makikita niyo rito sa play na to, yung 45 cut ni Kaylan Chongson. Wait lang. Okay, makikita natin dito, there's going to be a ball screen, Clarito, tsaka Keith Datu. So si Chongson, nakakabulol yung Thompson tsaka Chongson. Anyway, si Chongson, nasa wing siya, si Asisio magfi-fill in dito sa spot na to. Nag-45 cut dito si Chongson, which drew Diallo in. Tapos si Heading ngayon, since nag-cut nga sa likod niya si Chongson, he had to move a little bit here. And since siya yung nasa nail, he also had to consider or aware din siya na may dumadrive sa gitna. Okay? Which left Anton Asisio wide open. So, ang laking bagay din na nagagawa ng cuts to, you know, generate open shots para sa mga teammates mo. And again dito, sa play na to, okay, personal foul kay Kaylan Chongson. Okay, mukha na siyang nai-stress. Mukhang hindi niya na maintindihan ano bang nangyayari sa mundo, sa world. And kung makikita kasi natin sa replay, again, we also have to look at display. Kagaya nung kanina. Yes, we can say yes, consistent yung referees. Okay, kung makikita natin dito, yan, straight. Straight line pa yung drawing ko. Wow. Okay, straight dito si Stockton, pero all of a sudden, nag-lean forward siya. Ayan o, eto na siya ngayon. Nag-lean forward siya papunta sa paa ni Chongson. Pero si Chongson, sa moment na to, straight na siya eh. Diba? Andito si Stockton, gumanon lang yung paa. So, it's personal foul para kay Kaylan Chongson, which is not fair if you ask me. Pero again, It was a good game from Converge. Pero talagang overpowered yung roster ng Converge, especially having an advantage kasi meron silang import. And even if may import naman yung Rain or Shine, I think it's going to be very tough for them kapag yung Converge in tune sila sa laro nila. Kasi Converge is very well equipped. Meron silang Arana, meron silang Balti, Heading, Stockton, even Winston sa bench, Brian Santos. They're very complete. And kitang-kita natin sa laro na to na yung Converge mula nung nakahabol sila around second quarter, hindi na lumayla yung laro nila. They picked things up and now, ayun,